Got a new Manscaped Lawnmower 4 sleeve. There's the little badger. A whole new balls game. Is it any different than the Lawnmower 3? All I can see at the minute is the design just looks a bit different. Let's see how we get on.
I got you stuck off the realness.
So I've been using it for the past hour, and I'll be honest with you, nothing has actually changed. Same power, same skin safe technology, still at the same light, but you can turn the light if you want. It's got a bit of a travel lock, same charger, well, different size charger because you can't use your old one, same blinking light, you get a rope lead, pretty annoying to be honest. So the first impression is that nothing's really changed. All that's changed is just the design. I suppose it fits a bit better in your hand, but it's just the same. I won't upgrade. Still like the brand. Not sure about the font here. Don't really match anything that they do. Do you want to upgrade to the 4? I'll spend 100 quid. It's up to you. Still the same. Nothing's changed. I'm doing my arms. Still the same. Peace.